Okay, with the camera in one hand, me talking, and the mouse in the other hand, I'm going to show you how you can buy my cryptocurrency using MetaMask. First of all, you're going to want to go to my website, QAngela.com. QAngela.com. As you can see, the contract address is here. Double click it, copy it. Now you've got it copied. Now you want to go to MetaMask. You can download it for your Chrome browser. You want to download it. It says remove from Chrome because I already have it installed on Chrome. You want to have it on Chrome. Now you have to have the Smart Chain network on Chrome. In order to get the Smart Chain network on Chrome, you have to put BSC on Chrome on your MetaMask wallet. So you want to ask Chrome, put BSC on MetaMask. How do I add the BSC mainnet on MetaMask? And then here are the details. Now you have to add a network. You go to settings, networks, add networks. And these are the details. BSC mainnet, BSC data seed finance, or Binance.org. You need chain ID 56, BNB symbol, Blocknet Explorer, HTTPS, BSC scan. I'll show you here. If you have MetaMask, so you go here to settings. So right here you go to settings. You'll go to, you'll be here on settings, networks, add network. You'll have a network name. You'll put in Smart Chain, and you'll put in these values. You'll put those values in. You'll put save, and you'll have Smart Chain and those values, and then you'll have the Smart Chain network, and then you'll have add network, and you'll have the Smart Chain network. Then you'll want to add some tokens, so you can buy tokens. It's much cheaper if you buy tokens using Binance, and then you can copy them and you can send them over the Binance Smart Chain network. Now there's where it can get a little tricky. You'll need a Binance wallet, and then you can send it to MetaMask, because MetaMask is essentially an Ethereum wallet. So you need the Binance Smart Chain wallet first to go from Binance.com, Binance.org, and then switching it over. But now, then you'll want to go to assets. You'll want to import my token. So as you can see, I'm gonna hide this one because this was an old one that I didn't end up working. The QANG one is, I bought about this many billion tokens. It's not very many. It cost me just a few cents. But we're gonna buy some more today. This is what you would do if you wanted to buy Floki or anything. You copy the contract address. You can also find contract addresses using BSC scan, and I'll show you that in a minute. Then you go to pancakeswap and you connect your wallet. You connect your wallet like this. MetaMask. It connects your wallet immediately. Then you want to trade. You go to exchange. So you swap. It shows your BNB value right away. I have 0.006, which is about $3. And then I want to add an amount. So I have QANG, but you probably won't have that yet. You need to paste the value. It'll say this may not be trusted. You have to check a box, import the address, and then swap, enter amount, BNB, why isn't it, this doesn't look normal. I'll put max. I think it's because I don't have enough. I don't have enough. I don't have enough money to swap. But that's how you would do it. You'd enter an amount. You'd hit swap. Oh, here we go. "24 hours, it's gone up from 3 to 4. It's minus 1%. I can swap all my QANG for BNB, and I would hit swap. I would hit confirm swap. If I wanted to swap all my QANG for BNB, if I wanted to trade it all back and take all of it back and get all of my BNB back, I hit confirm swap. The estimated gas I would pay. Gas is how much price. I'm going to reject this swap because I want to keep my BNB, I want to keep my QANG that I have. And that's how you do it, folks. Very simple. So that's just a very simple way of how you swap BNB. Now I'll show you how you can find any contract address. So let's say I want to trade Floki. Contract address. You may have heard of Floki. Here's the contract for it. I'll copy the address. I'll go to exchange. I'll look up Floki. I'll paste it in. flow key comes up. I'll import. See how it says unknown source? I press I understand. I'll press max. See, I don't have enough money to trade. So it says I enter an amount. But it shows the chart data. So I'm unable to trade any because I don't have enough money. But anyway, that's how you do it, folks. That's how you trade, that's how you buy. Please buy my QANG token. QAngela.com. Check it out today.